Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be starting off the month of June and we're going to be covering top 3 altcoins to buy here in the month of June. We're seeing some great runners and some great opportunities, so stay tuned for the countdown. If we actually take a look here, the market is currently down about 1% here in the past 24 hours. We have our top gainer in the past 24 hours, which is going to be New Cypher, which is up over 70.6%. Obviously, we have a new listing here on Coinbase, which is going to be the sandbox, one of the metaverse plays. If we take a look right here, Bitcoin is trading flat here in the past 24 hours, trading around that 31,700 area, close to 32,000, bouncing back and forth. We're at a 604.7 billion market cap and volumes at 33.2 billion, slightly lower compared to yesterday. Ethereum trading at around 1934, down about 2.94%. So actually Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum right now and staying up. Ethereum is at 233.9 billion market cap. So if we actually take a look here, there's a difference of about 370,000 here, or 370 billion in the market cap. And at one point actually Ethereum was starting to gain on Bitcoin, and it was about half, so it was about 50% difference, which would bring Ethereum to around 300 billion market cap currently, or about $3,000 per coin. So right now Ethereum is actually underperforming compared to Bitcoin, and we have volume at 18.1 billion. Now altcoins are obviously all either trading down or slightly green because everything had a rally over the weekend, and now we're just seeing everything come back down a little bit. Now, one of the biggest performers here over the weekend was Cardano. They did very, very well here, trading in the 60 cents area once again. We covered that one in yesterday's video, so if you missed that, go ahead and check that out. We see Solana, one of the biggest losers here, down about 5.8%. Polkadot down about 4%. Avalanche down 10%. Avalanche trading at $26. Ridiculous prices right here, guys. We see some green as well, but mostly things are in the red as we saw that rally like we talked about in the beginning. So guys, let's get into the countdown. But before we get into the countdown, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 35 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin we're going to be looking at right here is going to be QCOIN. So right here, KCS. So this one right now is up about 3.33% in the past 24 hours, trading at around $17.65. Not too bad. In the past week, we're up over 8.55% from about $15 lows here on May 27th. So Friday we see there, and now we're trading at over 17. And then in the past month, this one is trading flat. So at one point here in the beginning of May, we actually went to lows of about $9. So if you would have bought at that $9.34 area, you'd be up around 90% already on your investment just in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, here since last June in 2021, this coin is actually still up 138%, making some decent gains here with all-time highs at around December time period at $27. So we're about $10 away from that level. And then obviously on the all-time chart, this coin is up massively. Most of the rally on this coin started to happen here in January of 2021, and it continued to go higher and higher and higher. And even now, as the market tumbles, this one has, kind of stayed, in the decent range here around this $20 range, bouncing back and forth. And we did see that low, like we said, in the past few weeks, but we're coming back up. So this one is a momentum play, in my opinion, and one that has been, keeping up better compared to the market. So right now, 1.7 billion market cap. If we get to the all-time high area, we would be trading at around a 2.6 billion market cap, 7.9 million in volume, up about 5% higher than usual. And we have that all-time high at $28.80. Now, QCOIN shares is an Ethereum token issued by the QCOIN cryptocurrency exchange. Holders of the token who keep it on the exchange receive a portion of the trading revenue generated by the exchange. So this is something that some of these coins do, obviously, where they try to get you to hold the coin more by giving you an incentive or a reason to do it, obviously. So that's what QCOIN has to do. So this one, definitely a nice momentum type situation here, especially from this $9 range that we dropped down to. Could be a nice opportunity for a bounce to break through this $20 resistance and continue to push on higher if we see a little rally here in the crypto market. So that's going to be our first coin. Now, before we get into the rest of the coins, we're going to take a look at the crypto bubbles. So we tend to do this all the time and check out what's going on. Top gainer here in the past 7 days is going to be Bella Protocol, up over 110%. Then we see some 40, 50, 60% gainers here. Obviously, we have a 51% here, Threshold. We see Waves here at 40%, OGN at 39%, VGX, so we guys know this one, Voyager token at 43.7%. Even Helium here making it on the list, up about 18 or 19%. And then we have some losers here, obviously, that are down, 56%, 69%. Luna Classic, obviously, being down 35% in the past week, but that one is pretty much worthless now as we saw the crash. But we see here Luna, the Terra Luna 2.0. This one has been moving back and forth. So we discussed this one in yesterday's video as well. So if you missed that out, go ahead and check it out. We saw a little rally here as Binance released it on their exchanges. A lot of people played that as a run-up, and then a sell the news type situation happened here overnight on Monday into Tuesday. So very, very interesting, guys. So let's get into number two. Number two is going to be Stellar Lumens XLM. This one is up about 1.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 15 cents. In the past week, we're up about 10% actually, making a nice move. Past month, we're down 14.5% from about 10 cents low. So we're up 50% from that low. And then on the 1 year chart, we're down about 65%, obviously. So this coin last year, or actually September of 2020, around 7 cents, went up to highs of over 65 cents here in May. And then since that 65 cents area in May of 2021, we continue to go down lower and lower and lower now. As we see, we're at around a 3.7 billion market cap, volume at 364.1 million, 44% higher than usual actually. Typical hold time on Stellar Lumens is going to be 39 days. It is ranked the number 19 coin, 54% buy activity, 46% sell activity. Now, Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. Now, Stellar aims to connect the world's finance system, enabling businesses and developers to take advantage of the network's fast speeds, low transaction costs, and interoperability. So obviously, speed is the biggest thing with cryptocurrencies. Everybody loves fast transaction time. So, gas fees, different things like that. We do not like high gas fees, and obviously we like fast speed. So a lot of people tend to look for these altcoins. They're going to have faster speeds and lower gas fees to make transactions quicker, better, and more efficient. So very, very interesting to see what Stellar Lumens has here to do. But will we ever get back to those all-time high areas? Well, there's always a possibility. We would have to do about we would be trading at over 10 to 15 billion market cap if we were ever to get back to those levels. So very interesting right here to see what is going to happen here in the upcoming months, and will this coin ever recover? What do you guys think? I think there is definitely a potential here for Stellar Lumens to make about a 50 to 100% gain in the months to come if we see a bullish type rally. And then number three, guys, is going to be IOTA, also known as IOTA. Here, down about 0.2%, so it's literally trading flat here in the past 24 hours, trading at 35 cents. Past week, this coin's actually up about 1%, seeing a little rally. Past month, we're down 34% actually, with lows of 24 cents. Since then, we're up about 11 cents, or about 50%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're down 69% as well. And then on the all-time chart, obviously, you guys see here how it's performing. So 2021 trading at 30 cents here. We saw it go all the way up to highs of over $2, $2.38 in April, pulled back down, came back up here in September, October time period, and ever since then, once again, same pattern, coming down lower and lower. So obviously all the altcoins are following the same patterns, because as the large cap coins go down, the mid cap and the small cap coins tend to go down as well. So they're following the same pattern. If we're in a bearish market, everything's going to go down. There's nothing really that's going to stay up. So you have to find opportunities where things get hammered down really quick for opportunities in the future to come back up. Now, will IOTA be one of them? Well, there's a possibility. Currently, it's trading right under 1 billion market cap, $5.69 high. IOTA is designed to facilitate microtransactions between devices on the Internet of Things, IoT. Now, IOTA uses a unique consensus algorithm that requires users to validate 2 transactions in order to make a transaction of their own. So this is something we see very frequently right now in our society, where you have to make 2 small transactions and confirm it to see that it's actually you. So IOTA, definitely an interesting one that's been slashed down very hard in the past months, and we see some opportunities on the upside. So that's going to be number 3. Now, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, Bitcoin, guys, like we said, trading flat here. We hit highs of 32,383 at one point here on Tuesday. Then in the past week, we're actually up 5.5% from those lows. In the past month, we're down 16%, but we're up about 6,500 from that 25,000 area. And then on the 1 year chart, we're down about 13%. If we zoom out, you always have to zoom out, guys. We're doing very, very well. This is just a small pullback here in the market. 607 billion market cap, like we said, 38% of the crypto market space, so it is taking up a lot of the market space. 71% buy, 29% sell activity currently, and 122-day typical hold time on Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum, definitely underperforming, like we said, hit highs of about 2,000, and then it just continued to go down about 3.33%. In the past week, this one's actually down 4.5%, Past month, we're down 30%. So Bitcoin is definitely, overperforming compared to Ethereum. In the past year, we're down 26% from those highs of 4,900. So we're about $3,000 away from those highs. We continue to go down. Could this break through this, support level and continue to push on lower? It definitely could. Ethereum is at around 15% of the crypto market right now, and we have 94-day typical hold time, 68% buy, 32% sell on Ethereum. So it's going to be crazy market here, crazy ride, roller coaster ride. We're seeing things go up one day, down the next day, sideways the next day, and it's all over the place. And very, very interesting. Good market for day traders, people who are in and out very quickly out of these coins or even the stock market. These people are winning right now. But long-term holders, we're either losing or we're, not gaining anything and just staying stable depending on the day. But obviously in the long term, we're always going to succeed as long as we pick something that we believe in and, something that has actual value behind it for the future. So you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen in the month of June? Are we going to have a bullish June or not? Are we going to continue to have bearish sentiment? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me. Let's subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time you can do a video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.